eyesight.
Yeah, I can't stand it either.
I'm just waiting.
Action.
She told me to hold.
It's gonna go viral. YouTube.
I'm ready.
Okay. So we've taken the eye apart here, and if you were to have it back together, you would see the cornea that covers the iris and the pupil. We flip that over, and we can see the pupil, which is a hole for the light to go through. From there, the light would hit the lens and travel through the jelly vitreous humor back to the retina, which is the brown layer at the very inside of the eye. And then the blue-black layer is the choroid layer. The very outside layer of the eye is the sclera. That's the white part of the eye. So you have 3 layers through the eye. The last thing, or next to last thing, the watery fluid here with the black specks in it is the aqueous humor. That's between the pupil and the cornea. And then lastly, somewhere on the back here, I lost it. Where did it go? There it is. The optic nerve is out the back of the eye.
Good.